morning students. So today's class 11 biology chapter 3 plant kingdom. In the plant kingdom we include all the autotrophic multicellular eukaryotic organisms. The organisms which can do photosynthesis can derive their food by itself by the process of photosynthesis. So the plant kingdom is further divided into 5 divisions. First division is Thallophyta. Second, Bryophyta, Pteridophyta, Gymnosperms, and the last one is Angiosperm. So if we discuss about these divisions in detail, so our first division is Thallophyta. It is commonly known as algae. These plants have very simple body, thallus-like body. In the algal body, we cannot differentiate between root, stem and leaves. We do not find like these structures in the Thallophyta's body. They are autotrophic. They contain chlorophyll for the process of photosynthesis, so they are autotrophic. Phyta mostly aquatic. Some algae have marine habitat and some algae have freshwater habitat. So they occur in most habitat also. At the place where is moisture present, like moist damp area, moist soil, moist rocks, that place we can also see algae there. Variation in shape and size. In this division, we can see a different type of variation in the shape and the size of these algae. They show different types of variation in the shape and size. They can be multicellular, they can be unicellular. The size may be very small and the size may be very large, like calcs in the marine algae. Reproduction is carried of all 3 types. Vegetable reproduction is done by the process of fragmentation. Due to any external effect, the plant body may get separated into different parts, and each part has the capability to germinate into a new plant. This is the fragmentation. Asexual reproduction is done by the process of spore formation. These algae produce different types of spores, and the most common spore is zoospore, which is a motile spore. Sexual reproduction is also present here, and sexual reproduction is done by the fertilization of 2 different gametes, and the fertilization can be of isogamous type, anisogamous type, or two-gamous type. So these are the some general features of Thallophyta division, which is commonly known as algae. Our next topic is classification of algae or Thallophyta. So on the basis of their general features and different types of similarities and dissimilarities, we divide algae or Thallophyta division into 3 classes. First is Chlorophyaceae, Phaeophyaceae, and Rhodophyaceae. These are 3 classes of algae or Thallophyta. So first class is Chlorophyaceae. It is commonly known as green algae. General features of this class: they may be unicellular, colonial, or maybe filamentous. They can have marine or freshwater habitat. Chloroplast variation. In this class, we can see different types, different shape and size of chloroplast. Disc-like, thalloid, disc-like chloroplast, plate-like chloroplast, spirally arranged chloroplast. So different types of chloroplast we can see here. The photosynthetic pigment is chlorophyll A and B. Stored food material is starch. They store their food in the form of starch. Cellulosic cell wall is present. Cell wall is made up of cellulose. If we will talk about the reproduction we can see all of 3 types. Vegetative reproduction is done by the process of fragmentation. Asexual reproduction by the process of spore formation, and the spore is called as zoospore, which is motile in nature. Sexual reproduction can be of isogamous type, anisogamous type, and two-gamous type. Some common examples of this class are Volvox, Spirogyra, Eurythrax, Chlamydomonas. Volvox is a single cellular algae which live in a colonial form. Spirogyra and Eurythrax are the filamentous algae. Chlamydomonas is a unicellular algae. So by the examples we can see different types of shape and size of this class. We can see unicellular Chlamydomonas, filamentous, Spirogyra, and Eurythrax, and its single cell colonial structure is Volvox. Second class of division Thallophyta is Phaeophyaceae. It is commonly known as brown algae. Habitat is fresh water and marine water. Photosynthetic pigment is chlorophyll A, C, and phycoxanthin. The brown color is mostly provided by the photosynthetic pigment phycoxanthin. They store their food in the form of mannitol or laminarin. Mannitol and laminarin are special type of carbohydrates. Cell wall is made up of cellulose and a special material algae. Cell wall is made up of cellulose and algae. In this class, the plant body can be divided into 3 parts. holdfast, stipe and flow. As you can see here, this base is called holdfast, that filamentous part is called as stipe, and the outer leaf-like part is called as frond. Reproduction. There is all three types of reproduction is present here: vegetative, asexual, sexual. Vegetative is done by the process of fragmentation. Asexual reproduction, we can see here the in asexual reproduction, we can see here the formation of spores, that is zoospore, motile spores. Sexual reproduction is all three types is present here: isogamous, anisogamous, and oogamous type. This class has some economically importance. They produce algae. It is a material we get from the cell wall. Algae has unique quality. It works as a water holding substance. So we got algae to produce jellies. Example of this class is Ectocarpus, Fucus, Laminate. So division Therophyta, the third class is Rhodophytes. It is commonly known as Varieties. They are mostly marine. Mostly all the members of this class are found in aquatic medium, are found in marine region. Body is multicellular. Store food is fluoride starch. They store their food in the form of fluoride starch. Photosynthetic pigments are chlorophyll A, chlorophyll D, and phycoerythrin. This phycoerythrin gives the red color to this class. Cell wall is made up of cellulose and pectin. Pectin is a protein substance. If we will talk about the reproduction, all three types of reproduction we can see here. Vegetative is done by the process of fragmentation. In asexual production, non-motile spores formation will occur here. Sexual production is done by the oogamous type. Example of these class are Polysiphonia and Porphyra.